So hey guys, it's Nikki here with Lifestylediyw and welcome to my Valentine's Day DIYs. That's right guys, we're starting a little bit early this year. I was going to wait until February 1st, but I didn't want to stay away from you that long with another DIY. So I am bringing you my very first real true Valentine's Day DIY. I'm super excited. I have some cute little DIYs that you can create at home for super cheap. With some of the same products that I'm doing this DIY with, and or make your own. So let's get to it. I want to say it's been a crazy time already in January. I came back from Jamaica. We had a great time, and I'm so excited to tell you guys more about that, but that's in another video. So let's get to it. Stay tuned, guys. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And I love you guys to pieces. Let's get started. A simple Valentine's Day Decor hanging love banner. So I have my Dollar Tree Jute Twine, and I have the Valentine's Day heart containers. Now I only have one. It comes in a pack of 4, but you can split it in 2. So we only really need 2 halves. And then I have my George Stanley black and white little envelopes that I'm going to use in half, and they were $2.50 from Marshall's. But you can also make this, I believe, with the tissue paper black and white. I just wanted this because it was, it had the gray and it was less black and white from what I used on Christmas. And then I have my Dollar Tree letters, and I'm going to spell out the word love on top of it. I also have a pair of scissors, my glue gun, and I also have my, you guessed it, I have my Chandler CT25 glue gun. So the first thing you have to do is take out 6 of the black and white cards, and you're going to cut the middle out just as the triangle, so both sides will have a triangle bottom, and you're going to cut open just the sides and leave it like an open card. So remember, you're only going to cut a triangle at the bottom, and you can do this with oak tag paper, cardboard, any type of cardstock. You could make this. You don't have to try to look for the George Stanley if if you don't want to. You can make it with construction paper, anything. You make it to your liking. So you cut out the sides, and you'll have 6 open cards that you're going to use. 4 in the middle are going to be for the letters, and the 2 are going to have the hearts on the end of it. Now you're going to open up as much jute string you might think you need and place it in the cards. Now we're just going to fold them down and make sure that it's going the right way. Now I'm going to hot glue using my Chandler glue gun, and I'm going to hot glue 1/2 of the heart to the front of the card. And then I'm going to take some jute string, and the little hearts came with those little happy Valentine's Day hearts. So I'm going to tie one in between each card, just so it has like more of a message. And then you're going to hot glue 3 dots in the cards and fold it down. Add your letters from Dollar Tree, and I'm going to spell out the word love. And then we're going to just, size them over and add the last 2 cards that have the heart to the banner. And voila. Guys, I love the way my mantle is actually decorated right now. And it's not even truly decorated for Valentine's Day. This is just to show off this banner because I thought it was so cute. And it still keeps me in that farmhouse Valentine's Day DIY, decor. And it's not so black and white, and it's not so crazy red and pink and stuff like that. So I love the way it's decorated. Let me know if you make this Valentine's Day banner. And hopefully you liked it and you make your own. Please tag me at Lifestylediyw and make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And follow me on Instagram and Pinterest. I will be posting more about this banner and a couple of more Valentine's Day DIYs coming right up. So guys, I hope you loved it. Thank you for watching and hope to see you next time. Bye.